ಆ ಅವ್ವನ ಕಾಗದ ಹೋಯ್ ತಿಂತುಣಗಿ ನಂಗೆ ಈ ಉಲಗತನೇ ಕಾಮಕ್ಕಿಂತ್ಲ. So mother is irreplaceable. Her love is undefinable.
Motherhood for me has been an opportunity to experience unconditional love. I'm grateful that I'm blessed with a very loving son.
Motherhood is not at all a stressful journey. It's a beautiful journey. I'm so blessed and everything has changed a lot.
Motherhood is unconditional love in its purest form.
To all the wonderful mothers out there, you're doing a wonderful job. ಅವ್ವಂಡ ಕೆಲತಲೇ ಇಪ್ಪಕ ನಂಗೆ ಈ ಲೋಕತನ ಕಾಮಾಗದ ನಿಯಲೇ ಅವಳ ಪ್ರೀತಿನ ನಂಗೆ ಅನುಭವಿಸೋಕೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡೋ. ಅವ್ವಂಡ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಅಳತೆ ಮಾಡೋ ಕೈಲ.
And I wish all the beautiful moms out there a very happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day to all the amazing moms out there.
Endless job, or tireless job. Okay, ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಸುಸ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನಿಂಗೆ ಅವ ಸುಸ್ತನ ಕಾಟಿಯೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.